Hi everyone, welcome to Free Teach, and today's trig session is looking at finding an angle of depression. So an angle of depression is when we take a point, so someone might be looking from a point and they're looking down at something, for instance. So we might say they're on a mountain, okay? Put them on a mountain, and here's the horizontal from where they are, and the angle of depression is looking down there. So that there would be the angle of depression to whatever they're looking down to. Okay. The house there. Excuse me. Okay, so this question asks us to look at from the top of a vertical cliff, Andrea spots a boat out at sea. If the top of the cliff is 42 meters above sea level and the boat is 90 meters away from the base of the cliff, find the angle of depression from Angela to the boat to the nearest degree. Okay, so let's get rid of this bits and pieces. And the easiest way I find to start working this, if you can visually struggle with some stuff, is to draw it as a picture. So if we have our cliff top, okay, we're going to put Angela on that, and we've got our boat. So we've got a few things here that we know. We know that this measurement here, the cliff's 42 meters high. And also that the boat's 90 meters out to sea. So the angle of depression here, now if we think about this in terms of a triangle, I put this there. This in here is my angle of depression. Okay, so we want to make sure that we're finding the right spot. So we can also say that this is 90 because that's equivalent to this part down here, and that this here would be 42 meters. Another way you could look at it is this angle in here, which I'll call theta for now, is also equal to the angle of elevation from the boat to the cliff. Okay, so they would both be equal if you wanted to use this triangle down here. Okay, so now using that information, I might even redraw it just so we get a good idea of what it looks like. So we're looking for that in there, theta. We know that that's 90 and that's 42 meters. So we can set things up. We look at this, we've got our opposite angle here, so opposite side, and that's our adjacent side, so next to the our reference angle. So we've got a tangent question. So the tan of theta is equal to 42 over 90. And as we did earlier, or in the previous video, we know that if we take the inverse tan of that side and that side, it allows us to, press that properly. It allows us to take out those, and now theta's on its own, and tan -1. Come over to our calculator to work that out. So second function, tan, and I'll just do it as a division this time, rather than using the fraction button. Answer to the nearest degree. The angle of depression is 25 degrees. So that in there is 25 degrees. And that's how you find the angle of depression. Okay, hope it's helpful again. See you next time.